Hey everybody, it's Mark. It's RV time. This is just a quick idea video to show you what I added to our screen door slider that makes it a lot nicer to use. That's this cabinet knob. The indentation that's in the slider isn't so nice to use. Got to put your fingers in it. Then you go to close it, you got to push, and it causes the slider to get out of alignment and miss this track. The knob is a lot nicer. I put it to the far left so I get the maximum opening. So depending upon which way your slider goes, you'll either put it to the far left or to the far right. Now on the inside, I put this cabinet handle. And if you're left-handed, you can put it here if you want. If you have one person that's left-handed and one right-handed, you can put two, one here and one here. The cabinet hardware comes with these 1-inch screws that are of course way too long. What you want to use are these 3/8-inch 832 screws. These are the perfect size. To install the cabinet hardware, I put this black flat washer. You can get those down in the specialty hardware drawers. Then I put a block washer, and the screw head I painted with 2 coats of satin black spray paint. I originally wanted to put a cabinet handle here, but the door latch hardware is in the way. So I had to change it to a knob, and I put it down here so that it clears the latch hardware. But there's a caveat to that. The caveat is this. When you latch the screen door to the RV door, it slides back and forth just fine. The knob will pass by the catch. But when you shut the RV door, these two compress together and the knob now hits the catch. So we found this out the hard way when I had this closed and I shut the RV door, and Kathy was still inside and she couldn't open it. But she quickly figured out she could just wiggle it and get it past the catch. So the other option is to install the knob just about 1.5 inches to the right so that it's on the other side of the screen door catch. We like this a lot. Total cost to do this project is about $10 to $12 depending upon how much you spend on your cabinet hardware. Hope you found this at least marginally useful. Let me know if you end up doing this project. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.